How to share YouTube music playlist with friends. Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'll be showing you guys how to share YouTube music playlist with friends. First, make sure your app is updated to the latest version. Then open the app and log into your account. Then click on Library, which is beside Upgrade and Explore. Click on the playlist you want to share. Then click on the arrow which is facing rightwards. And make sure the playlist is public. Click on Public and confirm it. Then click on the same arrow again and share it through all the apps you want, or copy link and send it to a friend. You can also quick share or share with other apps. And that's how you share YouTube music playlist with friends. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure you like this video and subscribe to our channel. I hope this video was informational.